join the wonderful world of art. My parents, please subscribe to always know about the adventures and fascinating drawings of children.
The clocks are 5. She went to her high. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6. Oh, little 6. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. The dog barked at the clock struck 3. Fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck 4. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her high. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6. Oh, little 6. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. 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 Hickory dickory dock.
Dear friends, if you liked this video, be sure to visit my channel and learn about everything new. Also, please subscribe so that you are always with me and do not miss other interesting videos. Glowing Star Artist Palette.